Let me hit you with a truth you don't want to hear. Nobody respects you, not because they're mean or because the world is unfair, but because you taught them not to. You've shown them you'll tolerate being ignored, stepped on, and treated like a backup option. By apologizing too much, by biting your tongue when you should speak up, by saying yes when you desperately want to say no, and then you wonder why people treat you like a doormat. You have to realize that people respect what you tolerate. So if you tolerate being spoken to like crap, guess what? They'll keep doing it. If you tolerate being the one who always gives and never gets, they'll keep expecting it. You taught people how to treat you, and they learned their lesson well. Seriously, think about it. Your friends cancel on you several times, and you act like it's fine even though you're pissed. Someone interrupts you, and you let them talk over you because you don't want to seem rude. You laugh at jokes that aren't funny, just so people will like you. Or you lend money to a friend who never pays you back because you don't want to say no. You're making yourself look weak, but people don't respect weak, they respect strength. And what I mean by strength is having self-control, boundaries, and standards, not being loud or aggressive. You have to respect yourself before anyone else does. Here's how. First, stop begging for respect. Demand it with your actions. If someone gives you the bare minimum, stop giving them the maximum. Stop laughing at disrespect. If someone crosses the line, call it out. Then, start setting boundaries and actually enforce them. Respect your own time. If you don't treat it as valuable, nobody else will. Raise your standards. If people can't meet them, they don't belong in your life. And finally, above all, start respecting your own word. If you say you'll do it, do it. No excuses. When you follow these steps for a while, you'll start to change, and not everyone is going to like the new you. They will call you cold or selfish. Good, that's the point, because nobody respects the person who lets everything slide and pleases everyone. Remember, respect starts with you, so stand the f*** up and earn it.